How many slices you had now? 3. That's how nice it is. Hello everybody, welcome. Now today, I done a video the other day. I'll leave a link to it wherever it is, up here somewhere. Aldi pizza chips. And someone left me a message in the comments. I'm not going to name him just in case he doesn't want to be named. Says he makes them at home for his grandkids. So I'm going to make one. And I'm going to see what I've never done it before, so I'm going to see what it comes out like. But I'm going to do a bit different, add a few different ingredients. And we'll see what happens. See what it tastes like. So let me show you what I've got. I've got a pizza base from Aldi. I've got 2 potatoes. Got some Cumberland sausage that I had left over. Just some sauce. Some pizza slices, pepperoni and mozzarella slices. Those from Aldi. Some grated mozzarella from Aldi. And some hot and spicy chicken strips. My lad loves these. They're a bit like Chicken Select from McDonald's. So what I'm going to do a pizza with homemade chips and chicken strips, but the homemade chips are going on the pizza and the chicken strips are going on the pizza and the sausage is going on the pizza. So it's like pizza and chips on a pizza. I've never done that before, ever. I've never even thought of doing that. Chips on a pizza. So I'm going to do the homemade chips and the spicy chicken. I'm going to do them in the air fryer. So I'm going to do the homemade chips and the sausage. So you don't need me to. You don't need to see me doing them, do you? Really, because you know how to cook sausage and that, I suppose. So once the chips are done and the sausage is done, I'll bring you back. Just turn the sausages over. Right, what I'm going to do. What the chips are doing, they take about 6 or 7 minutes in hot water and then they've got to cool down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my chicken spices in the air fryer first, get them cooked. So nothing has to be cooked all the way through because it's all got to go in the oven. So, there's them chicken slices, look, they're huge, aren't they? They're just like Chicken Select. I mean, these ones are hot and spicy, so, but they're massive. As you can see that, look. I think they're about £2.30 a bag or something, but they're big. Won't need many of them. So I'm just going to stick them in the air fryer. I'll put, 3 in? That's a little one. I'll put 4, a little one in. What I'm going to do, a bit of one spray on it. It'll take about 20 minutes, but I say they've got to go in the oven as well, so I'm going to just do for 15. So I'm going to stick them in for 15 minutes. Let them cook away. And I'll bring you back when they're done. Right, the chips are done. I've just noticed I've got no kitchen towel, so I'm going to have to put the chips on a clean tea towel. Obviously I didn't buy any from the shop. You just want to dry these out. I mean, I've left them steaming for a few minutes. Now I'm not going to really salt the chips because they're going on a pizza. I think it might be too salty. I think with all the cheese and everything, it might be better. But I've done the chips thick, because I want them thick and just small. So I'm going to let all that dry out. The sausages are done. Well, they're not cooked all the way through, but they're browned off. Just going to chop them into little chunks. Sauce it's all got to go in the oven. That's at about 7 minutes now, it's looking nice. As soon as they're done, I'll get the chips in. And then we'll build the pizza. Well, I've let them dry out for a little bit. They're looking nice and dried out now. So I'm going to get them in a bowl. So I'm not going to salt them. So I've never ever tried chips on a pizza before. I think I've had pizza and chips loads of times, but I've never had chips on a pizza. And I think it might taste quite nice with all that cheese on as well. Cheesy chips, ain't it? I'm going to get all them there. So I'm not going to season it just in case. I don't want the pizza to be too salty. I'm just going to put a drop of oil in. Just give that a mix up. So you haven't done homemade chips before, I've done them on my channel. They're delicious. I'll leave you a link. So these should be done now. Gorgeous, man, them. So I'm going to take them out. They've all got to be cut up anyway, so they probably won't be quite cooked, but they've got to go in the oven, as I say. Oh, hot, 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 hot. And I'm not cleaning this, I want the juices out of this. Now the thing when you do homemade chips is don't pack the pan when you're cooking. You don't want them all sticking together. Couple more. There we go. Get them in now. I'm going to cook them about 15 minutes and we'll build the pizza. Right, them chips have got about 5 minutes to go. I'm going to put my sauce on. Tomato sauce on the base first. Let's get that spread out. Right, that's all spread out now. So I'm going to get a bit of grated cheese on. A bit of mozzarella first. Just to get the bottom covered. I'm looking forward to this one, to be fair. I don't want a lot on at first because I'm going to put some more on the top, so just going to spread the base at the bottom. That's that. I'm going to start putting the sausages on. So the sausages aren't quite cooked yet, but so they've got to go in the oven, so I might even actually cut them sausages up a little bit more before my scissors. Might be a bit big. Just cut them down the middle like that. That might be better. Can you see that, yeah? There's loads of sausages here. So I only done 4, but there's loads. Just spread it out everywhere, man. Get it on. I'm well looking forward to this. So I could have took the skin off the sausage and just had the meat out of it, but chicken, spread it on. As I always say, it doesn't matter how it looks, it's always in the taste. To be honest, I think this will look quite nice with cheese on top again. Let's get another one on. There we go. That's about covered it everywhere, I think. Right, I'll wait for them chips to finish. Looking nice so far though. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. How's the chips coming? Nearly there, look. Couple of minutes, look at them. Homemade chips, gorgeous. About another 2 minutes on them. Right, they should be about done now. So they've got to go in the oven, so I don't want to overdo them. Turn that off. These are going to be boiling hot. These are going to be scalding, these are. Let's get them spread out everywhere. Oh, I'm looking forward to this one now. It's looking nicer as we go. Oh, yes. Oh, look at this. It's a stunner. It's an absolute stunner. A couple of little bits left. Oh my God. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to stick a bit more cheese on. Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going to get these open now. I'm going to get these on. Somehow. I can never open these things, mate. You can never open them. Give me a knife. There we go. Oh my God, this looks amazing. I'm well looking forward to this now. Absolutely well looking forward to it. Let's get some of this on. Get one in the middle. And let's get some cheese in between. Oh, this is going to be really gooey, man. This is going to be lovely. And put another piece of cheese in the middle to go with it. Look at that for a pizza then. Ooh, chips, sausages, spicy chicken, pepperoni, mozzarella. Well, I'm going to stick that in the oven now for about 15 minutes or until it's all melted and puffed up and whatever. Till it's done basically. And I'll bring you back and we'll have a look what it looks like. Can't wait for this one, me. I absolutely can't wait. Get in the oven. It's in. Bring you back in a minute. Are you ready for this? Look at that beauty there, look. Look at that. Oh my God, look at it. Just a second come out, so I can't really touch. It's boiling hot. But look at it. It's gorgeous. Look at all that cheese. And the chips. Oh, that's going to taste lovely, I think. Oh, see if I can pinch a nice little chip. Look at the cheese on the chip. Oh. Oh. I'm going to let it cool down for a couple of minutes. Then we'll have a taste test. Right then, let's cut it open. I'm looking forward to this. I'm absolutely looking forward to this. Look at it. See if I can get a nice crunchy bit. Let's try this bit here. Oh yes. Let's have a look. Oh, it's still quite hot. Oh yes, look at that. Ooh, that's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Right then, now we're going to taste it. Right, I've got our Natalie with us. We're both going to taste it at exactly the same time to give our different opinions. So, are you ready, love?
I'm ready.
Taste away.
Nice.
No, I sort of seasoned the chips. I didn't season them because I put mine on a piece too salty. I sort of seasoned the chips.
Let me have this bottle here.
That's stunning.
That's really nice. That is different.
Nice and soft as well, isn't it?
Okay.
Very nice.
Very nice. I'd eat that again. Oh. I need to see
I'm
some
going to get a bit
chips
of tomato ketchup on it. Have a dip.
Very nice.
Have a dip.
Have a dip.
Well, chicken's got a bit of a spice.
What's in it then? Tell me what's in it.
We got homemade chips, Cumberland sausage, spicy chicken, chicken select, cheese, pepperoni, whatever it's called.
Very nice. Lovely. It's very nice. I'd eat that.
That is stunning. That is absolutely superb.
That's nice. That is. I'm going to finish mine off.
Yeah. Try by then and I'll carry on talking, or you can stand there. Because I know people are watching you eat here. You alright? Yeah. Give it a mark then out of 10.
Definitely a 10.
10? That high?
Yeah, it's very nice. Just made one mistake.
What?
Season of chips.
Season of chips. Yeah, I thought it might be too salty with the pizza. That's why I never done it. But next time, yeah, season of chips. 10. I wouldn't go that high.
Why?
Because 10's called a
I
bronze
know.
level, ain't it?
I like it though.
You know, yeah, that's up to you, innit? I'll give it an 8. It's very, very nice. Very, yeah, 8. 8. 8's really good. Well, don't you think?
Wow. It's really hard to do food on a 1
I know,
to 10.
yeah, but
I would say
A
10.
10.
Because,
A 10
I would
is-
say 10 because I've never heard of anything like this before,
Yeah.
and I've never seen anything like this before, and it's homemade and it's filling and it's lovely. But it's just made one mistake.
yeah,
That's
with the seasoning, with the chips, I know that. But anyway, that is absolutely bang on. So I don't know whether to name the lad who's told me. Because, should I name him?
Yeah,
Should I name him?
yeah, name
I don't know if he wants his name out. I mean, he's commented and that. Shall I put it out? Shall I name him? Big Steve. Absolutely superb, mate. Thank you. Absolutely bang on. Everyone saying you love to Big Steve. It's bang on that is. Try it. It's
Very
absolutely
nice.
gorgeous.
It's lovely.
So there you go. Chips, sausage, chicken on a pizza with loads of cheese, and it's gorgeous. Just season the chips. I never. Because I thought they made the pizza, you know, a bit salty, but obviously you bet all yours. Yeah. Anyway, I am the old food guy. That's Natalie. Till the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye. How many slices you had now? 3. That's how nice it is.
I told you it was a 10.
See you later. Bye bye.